Well, I was at work and I got a phone call and said, hey, the basement's flooded. You might want to come back home. So I turned around and I came back home. I stopped at Lowe's, picked up a new sump pump, and we proceeded to pump water out of the basement. It was about 5 inches deep, 6, somewhere in there. I was just like, I was going to replace the sump pump this summer, but now I guess we'll do it today. I mean, there really wasn't much more you could do besides just make the best of a bad situation. To my insurance company. And I talked to Nikki at Allen Davis Insurance, and she highly recommended you guys. So she put the phone call in, and next morning you guys were there to set up equipment. I really didn't have an expectation. Never dealt with anything like this before. So I was just kind of like winging it and going at it. Yeah. It was super easy. Because again, I never dealt with anything like this, but it was pretty well cut and dry step by step from you guys, and it went smooth. Ben, he was good. Schwartz, and then Rick Fisher was really good. He came every day to check the moisture readings and was super nice and helpful, and worked around scheduling and whatever it took to get it done. Call Schwartz Contracting. #1 out the gate. They were super friendly, easy to work with, worked around schedule, and was there when you needed them, and took care of the problem and dried the basement up, and we are good to go. No mold, no mildew, no nothing.